Unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Mastering money's essential strategies for effective money management. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 1. Budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of effective money management, offering a roadmap to financial stability and success. In Mastering Money, Essential Strategies for Effective Money Management, readers will learn the step-by-step process of creating and adhering to a budget to meticulously track their income and expenses. By meticulously outlining sources of income and categorizing expenses, individuals gain a clear understanding of their financial inflows and outflows. This comprehensive approach not only enables individuals to identify areas for potential savings, but also empowers them to prioritize spending based on their financial goals. Moreover, the book delves into practical techniques and tools to ensure adherence to the budget, fostering discipline and accountability in financial decision-making. Ultimately, mastering budgeting is not merely about restricting spending, but rather about aligning one's financial habits with their aspirations, paving the way for long-term financial security and prosperity. Number 2. Saving. Saving is presented as a fundamental aspect of financial health, encompassing both short-term and long-term objectives. The book offers a comprehensive exploration of strategies to build and maintain an emergency fund, emphasizing its critical role in providing a financial safety net during unforeseen circumstances. Readers will gain insights into practical methods for setting aside funds regularly, regardless of income level, and tips for optimizing savings through automatic transfers and minimizing unnecessary expenses. Additionally, the book delves into the importance of saving for both short-term goals, such as vacations or major purchases, and long-term aspirations, such as retirement or homeownership. By establishing clear savings targets and implementing tailored saving strategies, individuals can work towards achieving their financial objectives with confidence, ensuring financial stability and peace of mind for the future. Number 3. Investing. Investing is demystified as a crucial component of building wealth and achieving financial independence. The book provides a comprehensive overview of the basics of investing, covering a range of investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Readers will learn about the principles of risk and return, diversification, and the importance of aligning investments with personal financial goals and risk tolerance. Through clear explanations and real-world examples, individuals gain a deeper understanding of how different investment options work and how to evaluate them effectively. Moreover, the book offers practical guidance on how to get started with investing, including how to open brokerage accounts, choose suitable investments, and monitor portfolio performance over time. By mastering the basics of investing, readers can harness the power of compound growth and build a diversified investment portfolio tailored to their individual needs, paving the way towards long-term financial success. Number 4. Debt management. Mastering Money. Essential Strategies for Effective Money Management offers concise yet powerful insights into debt management, providing readers with techniques to tackle and diminish debt burdens, including credit card debt and student loans. Through practical advice and actionable steps, individuals learn how to create repayment plans, prioritize high-interest debts, and negotiate with creditors where possible. By implementing these strategies, readers can gain control over their finances, reduce financial stress, and work towards achieving debt-free status faster, ultimately paving the way for a more secure and prosperous financial future. Number 5. Retirement planning. In Mastering Money, Essential Strategies for Effective Money Management, retirement planning is simplified to equip readers with a clear understanding of retirement accounts such as 401(k)s and IRAs, as well as the importance of setting and achieving retirement goals. This section provides succinct explanations of different retirement account options, their tax advantages, and how to maximize contributions. Additionally, readers are guided through the process of setting realistic retirement goals based on factors like desired lifestyle, estimated expenses, and retirement age. By comprehending these concepts and implementing proactive planning strategies, individuals can take proactive steps towards building a financially secure retirement, ensuring peace of mind and financial independence in their later years. Number 6. Financial goal setting. Financial goal setting is emphasized as a pivotal step towards financial success. This section guides readers through the process of setting clear, achievable financial goals and devising actionable plans to attain them. By outlining specific objectives, whether it be saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or funding retirement, individuals gain clarity on their financial priorities and motivations. Moreover, the book provides practical strategies for breaking down larger goals into manageable milestones, tracking progress, and adjusting strategies as needed. By mastering the art of financial goal setting, readers can cultivate discipline, focus, and determination, ultimately paving the way towards realizing their financial aspirations and securing a brighter financial future. Number 7. Risk management. Risk management is explored as a critical aspect of safeguarding assets and securing financial stability. This section offers readers a comprehensive overview of various risk management strategies, with a particular focus on insurance and other protective measures. Readers will learn the importance of identifying and assessing potential risks, such as property damage, medical emergencies, or loss of income, and how insurance policies can mitigate these risks. Additionally, the book delves into other risk management techniques, such as emergency funds, diversification of investments, and estate planning. By understanding and implementing these risk management strategies, individuals can proactively protect their assets, minimize financial vulnerabilities, and ensure resilience against unexpected challenges, thereby laying a solid foundation for long-term financial well-being. Number 8. Financial literacy. Financial literacy, as elucidated in Mastering Money: Essential Strategies for Effective Money Management, is depicted as the cornerstone of sound financial decision-making, empowering individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape. This section meticulously breaks down key financial concepts and terminologies, ensuring readers grasp fundamental principles such as budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Through clear explanations and relatable examples, individuals gain a deeper understanding of concepts like compound interest, risk and return, asset allocation, and credit scores. Moreover, the book goes beyond mere definitions, providing practical insights into how these concepts influence real-world financial decisions and outcomes. By equipping readers with a robust foundation in financial literacy, the book enables them to make informed choices, avoid common pitfalls, and seize opportunities to optimize their financial well-being. Ultimately, financial literacy serves as a powerful tool for empowerment, enabling individuals to take control of their finances, build wealth, and achieve their long-term financial goals with confidence and competence. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.